Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is THORIQ AULIA. So today we are going to learn about diphtong. So there is three diphtong, that is diphtong A, diphtong I, and diphtong OI. So the first is diphtong A. So this sound produced by combining two vowels E and I. So you have to produce it in one breath, A. For example, raise, place, save, change, and delay. The second is diphtong I. So this diphtong is produced by combining sound A and I. For example, dining, live, hide, recline, and reside. And the last one is diphtong OI. Diphtong OI is produced by gliding from sound O and I. For example, boil, choice, join, joy, and soy. I think that's all. Thank you everyone. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.